I'm Russell Alexander. Welcome. The course will not be returning to normal or to business as usual until a vaccine for COVID-19 is made available. The courts in Ontario have undergone much stress and uncertainty in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. Since the outbreak, most courts have only been hearing urgent matters. However, despite some restrictions being lifted in Canada, the Chief Justice has recently announced that the courts will not return to business as usual until a vaccine for COVID-19 is available. Since the COVID-19 restrictions were put into place, the Ontario courts have done much to adapt to the new normal. Through technological advances, the Chief Justice called for further adoption of technology to aid the availability of justice mechanisms and states, get rid of the paper and get into electronics end to end. So if there's a silver lining out of all this very, very difficult time we're in, we are poised and ready to move forward. This news mirrors our recent call for technological advancement of the justice system in order to prevent backlog of cases. Indeed, many of the courts across Ontario are planning to revamp in some regard beginning July 6, 2020. However, this target is subject to change, and the reopening measures will follow a tiered approach. But how far off are we from a vaccine? No one really knows. There are currently over 100 potential vaccines being tested, with some beginning to enter human trials. The current timeline sits at an optimistic 12 to 18 months. Thanks for watching our video. If you like it, please share it. You can hit the bell at the bottom to subscribe to future videos. There's also a comment box at the bottom. You can leave any questions that you have, and we'll endeavor to answer everybody's questions at the end of each week. Thank you for watching. I'm Russell Alexander.